Hi, Camille and the Studio Birds here with another Beyond the Cover. And this month we're going to look at a book that I made quite a while ago. It's called Forest Lullaby. It is a altered gatefold book. Has a little pop-up there at the bottom and a poem in the middle. And then the top is made to fold down, and there are two little stars, and you can see that that folds up like this. It's kind of hard to show you when it depends on gravity, but those two stars open and hang. The poem reads, "Sleep, my beloved, under the warmth of my love, above the noise of the earth, within the understanding of all who came before you." And that little book is called Forest Lullaby. And I wanted to also talk today about some of the things that I use to help display books. And this book in particular was a very difficult book to display. It's not like you can just set it up on its side and have it be exhibited. So what I found is I went to some hobby stores and found things that they're using to hang ornaments. And I could actually fit the book right into the bottom of the stand and then tie the top around the top part of this stand. I'm not going to be able to do it so well in this quick show you, but you can kind of get the idea. I tie it around the top part of the stand, and then you have the book so that it can display. Let's get it in here right where you can display it, so it can sit right up and it holds the books up. Kind of see how that works, and you've got a nice little display. It's kind of difficult doing this from the top. You can also use these same kind of stands if you were going to display. Many of my books are hanging books, so you see them like this, and then you're able to open them out like a pedal book, Turkish map book, or Hungarian map book. And so you can open them out, and then I have a little button or bead on the end, and that holds it open. And you can do the same thing with this stand. You can just set this book into the stand, wrap it around and tie it, and then you're able to just display the book on the stand. And that's a nice way to be able to enjoy books. And then there are more traditional ways to display, and this is just a standard shadow box that I picked up at a craft supply store. And you can see that you're able to display a whole collection of books, and I like the idea that with these you're able to display them and then take them out and look at them individually. And then the last way that I have for displaying books is just one of these little miniature book stands, and then you can just set your book inside that stand and then just set that down, and you're able to enjoy books that way. So I hope that you are well during this time, and that if you have some time you're able to make some things. If you're looking for some patterns or some ideas, check out my Etsy shop. I'll post the address below. Be well, and thanks for watching.